when I first started, based on the website I saw with a vacuum cleaner, I thought I didn't know any better. I thought a review site was the only way to make money. I didn't understand like ads, or I didn't really explore other affiliate programs out there. Plus, at the time, Amazon was doing quite well, so why not? But
Yep.
now I've expanded to other affiliate networks like ShareASale. Depending on the program, they probably pay a lot more than Amazon. And then I thought ads were spammy, so I never put them on until like the last year or so of my website. And I did $10,000, almost $10,000 in ad revenue. So I missed out on a lot of money by not having ads on my site.
Hmm.
Affiliate links too, it's not either or, like, oh, I got to use Amazon or someone else. You can put multiple affiliate links to different programs on the same page. So I actually tell people, here's the best places to shop for this product. And I'll include Amazon, I'll include ShareSale, and maybe another merchant as well. I tell them to shop around because, wherever they shop, I still get commission.
Yep.
A lot of people are shopping around for the best price anyways, so you might as well give them all the links.
And I've heard that having those options there can boost the conversion rate for any of them that they go to because
Yeah.
they feel more secure that they're getting a good deal. Kind of makes sense from a psychological standpoint.
Yeah.
So that's cool. And have you looked at, or have you ever worked directly with a company? Like maybe they weren't enrolled in ShareSale and they had their own in-house affiliate program, ever anything like that? Just curious.
No, the closest I've come is there was someone made a course on my niche, and they didn't have a publicly seen affiliate program, so I actually emailed them and asked, and they did sign me up for the affiliate program, but the course wasn't very good. It's not something I would have wanted to really promote. It was
Yeah.
all text. There was no videos. Um,
Right.
I couldn't really get behind promoting a course I didn't think was fully developed yet like that.
Sure. Yeah, and I've never done that personally, but I know depending on the niche and stuff, sometimes the companies will reach out to you just to
Mm.
send you a product, develop a relationship, and I think that really opens the door. Have you had any companies reach out to you like that you were reviewing their product or anything?
I've had products sent to me. One product in that particular niche. I didn't know any better. I didn't really take photos of the actual product. I continued using stock photos, maybe because it was easier. Um, it wasn't a super popular product, anyways,
Hmm.
and I just ended up giving the product away to someone who actually could have use for it, anyways.
Sure.
Um,
But you didn't take pictures of it?
no, I did
Yeah.
try it out a little
Yeah.
bit.
At least the review is probably a little better. So
Yeah.
cool. Well, let's get into like the nuts and bolts of like the site and keyword research and all the sort of gory details. And let's start at the keyword research portion because it sounds like your initial idea is someone shared as somewhat of a public case study situation.
Yeah.
You checked out the site and you were like, I could do that, and you went into the vacuum cleaner area, right?
Oh no, this is a different niche, but the
Oh,
vacuum cleaner was inspiration for the site I have now.
got it. Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool. Because sometimes people, and that's one of the reasons why I don't share my sites and try and keep them locked down. And that you're in the same position, right? You kind of try and keep it locked down.
Yeah, I usually don't give out my sites publicly unless I really trust the person.
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There's no, as far as I could tell, there's no good that comes of it. Usually, I think you've heard me talk about this before, Ben, but usually people will just end up copying your site. So,
Yeah.
okay. So moving on past that, keyword research. What was your like approach back then, and has it shifted over time? How do you do your keyword research?
When I first started, I didn't even do keyword research, which is kind of surprising. I just reviewed literally almost every single product in my niche, and I just wrote really good in-depth reviews. So that worked for a review site at the time. But now I understand keyword research more, and I understand the value of ad revenue. I try to find low competition keywords with a little bit higher search volume to go after. A lot of people think that low competition means low search volume, but once you get in the weeds, you can sometimes find a low competition keyword that does have a lot of search volume. So those are ideally the keywords that you do want to find. And I use Google autocomplete for that and keywords everywhere to poke around and go down the rabbit hole in my niche.
Okay. And then how do you assess the competition level?
Yeah, so I just do it manually. I looked at the top 10 SERPs, search engine results, on the first page of Google. And if I see things like forums or Quora, Reddit, Yahoo Answers, Facebook pages, those are pages that are not specifically optimized for those keywords. So a lot of effort hasn't been put into them to make them rank. And they are ranking, which means they are low competition. If I see a lot of authority sites from well-known websites in my niche, or even like USA Today or whatever, or Forbes, those are probably higher competition topics in keywords.
As far as like the number of backlinks, do you go that deep in analysis on the first page of the SERPs there? Or are you like checking like, hey, this site, well, first, I'll give you a little more strict criteria. So let's say it's not any of those big sites. It's not like Business Insider, Wirecutter. So it's mostly affiliate sites. How deep do you go into the competition analysis as far as like the backlinks and further research?
I might check out the individual pages and poke around and just use my own instinct. I'm really not a numbers guy where I dig deep into backlinks and things like that. I just say, hey, sometimes I'll put it into Uber Suggest and see just how much traffic they're getting. And if they're getting a lot of traffic, that probably means they're a good site.
Okay. Very cool. And I think, I do a lot of the same stuff, and you kind of summarized it well. You developed an intuition after looking at thousands of these results, and you're like, oh, you could probably look at the domain name and tell if it's an affiliate site. And then you could look at the page and you're like, oh, this is, well put together. You don't even have to read it. You could probably just skim down and you're like, this is a good site. This is a bad site. It's crazy. So, but thousands of hours you probably put in staring at your screen there, trying to figure that out. So, okay.